Welcome to Nova, where luxury lives on another level. Imagine hiring someone not just to cook your meals, but to craft edible art tailored to your DNA. Flown in on private jets and served with Michelin-level flair. These are the world's most expensive personal chefs, culinary legends who serve the richest of the rich. Let's get started. 1. Culinary artists, not just cooks. The world's most expensive personal chefs aren't just masters of the kitchen, they're culinary artists, often with backgrounds in Michelin-starred restaurants, molecular gastronomy, or elite culinary academies like Le Cordon Bleu or Central Intelligence Agency. These chefs aren't hired to cook, they're hired to create immersive, edible experiences that reflect the client's mood, health goals, and even aesthetic tastes. Their services begin with consultations on flavor profiles, desired cuisines, and ingredient preferences. But it doesn't stop there. They often collaborate with nutritionists, interior designers for tablescapes, and sommeliers to build entire mealtime atmospheres. Think multi-course menus served on gold-rimmed porcelain, with ingredients flown in same day from Tokyo fish markets or truffle forests in Italy. These chefs customize dishes at a molecular level, balancing flavor, fragrance, and presentation with surgical precision. For their clients, meals are not a necessity, they're an elevated performance, plated and timed to perfection. Their price? Sometimes $20,000 plus per week. 2. Price tags that rival celebrity salaries. Hiring one of the most elite personal chefs in the world isn't just expensive, it's a financial commitment on par with hiring a high-profile attorney, athlete, or surgeon. Many of these chefs command 6 to 7 figures annually, depending on exclusivity and travel. Full-time placement for the world's most sought-after chefs can start at $250,000 per year, while celebrity chefs like Wolfgang Puck, Nobu Matsuhisa, or Massimo Bottura, when booked privately, can cost up to $100,000 for a single evening. For high-net-worth individuals and billionaires, this isn't just about cost, it's about status and access. These chefs are seen as lifestyle assets, much like owning a private jet or yacht. And many of them include contract clauses for global travel, security vetting, and non-disclosure agreements to protect their clientele's privacy. The price may seem staggering, but for the ultra-rich, exclusivity has no ceiling. 3. Global travel and on-demand presence. The most expensive personal chefs are global citizens, often traveling with their clients across continents. From super yachts in the Mediterranean to ski chalets in Aspen and private islands in the Maldives, these chefs are expected to adapt their kitchen magic to any location on Earth. That means handling customs clearances for rare ingredients, working with local purveyors in remote villages, and overseeing pop-up kitchens that meet Michelin standards in the middle of nowhere. They often travel with their own sous chefs, equipment, and sometimes custom spices or utensils. Their luggage isn't just clothes, it's culinary precision tools, knives insured for thousands, and rare cookbooks with handwritten recipes. Whether a client wants Chilean sea bass in Monaco or a traditional Japanese kaiseki dinner in Fiji, the chef delivers flawlessly. It's luxury at its most mobile, where 5-star dining follows you like your shadow. 4. Security clearance and discretion. Cooking for the world's elite isn't just about skill, it's about trust. Many of these chefs undergo extensive background checks, sign ironclad non-disclosure agreements, and are required to pass security clearances, especially when working for royalty, politicians, or tech billionaires with sensitive affiliations. Some chefs are required to travel with personal security, undergo cybersecurity training, or operate in households where privacy is paramount. Their phones may be confiscated in certain homes, their social media use strictly monitored. Discretion is valued as much as culinary talent. Chefs working in such circles are often privy to intimate family dynamics, health issues, and even sensitive business discussions that take place over dinner. To be in this world, the chef must blend and be ever-present, yet invisible. They're part of the inner sanctum, trusted not just to nourish, but to never speak of what happens behind velvet gates. 5. Multi-sensory dining experiences. Forget the standard 3-course dinner. The world's top personal chefs often specialize in multi-sensory culinary experiences where food engages sight, sound, smell, and even touch. These chefs incorporate elements like soundscapes, temperature-controlled plates, edible scent fogs, and aroma diffusers that sync with dishes. They might serve a dessert that blooms under steam, or a starter that's paired with a scent-infused napkin and a custom wine blend. Everything is choreographed timing, lighting, plating, and music. These chefs often collaborate with interior designers, lighting techs, and even fragrance experts to perfect the environment around the meal. 6. Hyper-personalized nutrition and diagnostics. Many billionaires prioritize health and longevity, and their personal chefs are deeply integrated into their wellness regimens. These chefs study biometric data from wearables, blood test results, microbiome scans, and even genetic profiles to build daily menus that enhance cognitive function, metabolism, and immunity. Meals might include specific macro ratios tailored to the client's latest blood sugar levels or antioxidants selected for DNA repair. For clients practicing keto, veganism, or biohacking, every gram and micronutrient is measured. Some even consult with endocrinologists and sleep coaches to time meals in sync with circadian rhythms or hormone cycles. It's food as functional medicine, crafted with surgical precision and gourmet execution. 7. Celebrity chefs on speed dial. Some billionaires don't settle for just one chef, they keep a Rolodex of world-famous chefs on retainer or speed dial. When entertaining guests or hosting high-stakes dinners, they might fly in culinary celebrities like Gordon Ramsay, Alain Ducasse, or Thomas Keller for one-night-only feasts. These appearances come with astronomical costs ranging from $50,000 to $250,000 per night, not including travel, ingredients, or staffing. But the value isn't just in the food, it's in the prestige. 8. Cooking classes for the elite. Some of the world's wealthiest individuals love to cook not for necessity, but for creativity and status. So the most expensive chefs also double as private instructors. They provide daily cooking classes, gourmet workshops, or chef shadow experiences in fully customized kitchens. These sessions are as much about bonding and self-expression as they are about learning technique. A billionaire might learn how to make perfect sushi from a Japanese master or how to roll pasta by hand under the guidance of an Italian legend. Often, the lessons are filmed for personal archives or even future memoirs. These chefs also design entire kitchen layouts for their clients, ensuring that appliances, surfaces, and flow match the owner's lifestyle. 9. Farm to table, literally. The most expensive chefs often oversee private farms or gardens for their clients, ensuring the freshest, pesticide-free produce at all times. Some estates include hydroponic greenhouses, truffle forests, or aquaponic systems. These chefs supervise planting schedules, hire botanists, and even choose rare heirloom seeds based on flavor, nutrition, and color palettes. Their kitchens run on ingredients grown steps from where they're served. Eggs come from private hen houses, honey from custom-built apiaries. Wagyu beef is imported directly from Japan or raised locally with a private rancher. In some cases, the chef even breeds rare vegetables or fruits exclusive to the estate. 10. Culinary legacy and cookbook publishing. For the ultra-rich, even food becomes part of their personal legacy. Some of the most expensive chefs are commissioned to document the family's food traditions into luxury cookbooks printed in leather-bound editions, often with gold foil and fine art photography. These books may be gifted to heirs or guests, or kept in private libraries as part of the estate's cultural history. Chefs are also tasked with creating generational menus celebrating family events, traditions, or ethnic heritage with culinary storytelling. A birthday dish might represent 3 generations of refinement, or a wedding menu could feature ingredients sourced from ancestral lands. From secret ingredient sourcing to $10,000 a plate dinners, these chefs redefine luxury dining. They aren't just cooks, they're global tastemakers, commanding fortunes to keep billionaires satisfied. Which of these elite chefs would you hire if money was no object? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Nova for more insider looks into the world of ultra wealth. See you in the next one.